Today I'm going to show you how you can remove virus from Android phone. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you, but remember to choose trusted company. I am always using Avast, so let's install it. Okay, we are ready, so let's open it. Choose Get Started and skip. Close the ads and choose Continuous Free. Now open the green circle and choose OK. Now you have to add a permission to the files. Then go back to the app. The scanning process starts automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any virus that you have. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, that was all I recommend, and goodbye.